do some practice. I'll ask you to take the word from the lines, and we'll ask you to expand the sentence, answering like what, who, where, okay, as we did in the video. Would you like to expand it further? The waves of the sea were too high at night in Goa. Ma'am? No, that's what. You don't add a complete sentence altogether because of this. Yeah, in the last summer or during last summer, during. If you add, expand the sentence with as, because, when I was doing this, you completely add a different sentence. So, yeah.
Will there be a comma after Goa?
No, not necessary. But if you put last month in the beginning, then you have to put a comma. Yeah, meanwhile you too can make sentences in your notebook. Of class 10. Okay. Ma'am. So, you choose a word from the third line. Third line. No, for you it's second line. Third line. No, then the whole sentence will come. No, it's not wrong, but.
Customer of Bengal. Yesterday.
Huh. Sir, tell me, where can the sentence actually end? To make the sentence complete, what are the necessary words in that sentence? Or where there could be a logical end? The shopkeeper had a very good deal. That is enough to adequate to make the sentence complete, right? The customer of Bengal yesterday, all these are additional. Can you write books of whom? Books written by some favorite authors or something? Any other way by which this can be expanded? You will have to add that before during her vacations. Books written by. She likes to read books written by. For fun. Yeah, that can be added at the end. हाँ, वहाँ पे for the लगाइए.
कहाँ जाने के लिए कर रहा है? कॉलेज जाने के लिए जल्दी जाए.
Yes, help him out to expand the sentence. He leaves for the college early in the morning. Every day? Yes?
Every day.
By bus? By bus? Every day? Every day you write every day first.
Every day.
For fun?
Along with her friends.
By bus? Along with his friends. For fun. With his friends. ओके इसका हिंदी में मतलब बताइए कोई एक जोर से थोड़ा मैम.
कॉलेज के लिए घर से जल्दी निकलता है हर दिन.
1 मिनट वन एट ए टाइम प्लीज. अब पूरा पढ़ के आप देखिए हिंदी में बोलते वक्त एंड से आएगा. आप निकलता है आप पहले नहीं बोल सकते. बताइए आप.
हर दिन बस में वो अपने दोस्तों के साथ कॉलेज के लिए जल्दी निकलता है.
मॉर्निंग हैज कम इन दैट सेंटेंस.
वो रोज सुबह.
हाँ.
वो रोज
सुबह जल्दी.
Yes. Yeah. She likes to read books written by Premchand during her vacations for fun. Is there anyone who has made a sentence? No, none of you are making sentences in your notebook. With the practice of one sentence, you cannot learn much. It's very important to save our earth from different living beings. Yeah.
for everyone.
For the benefit of the better future has come. For the better future has come. So fine. Okay. On her selection in government job. No. On her selection into a government job. In Punjab, government job in Punjab. In Indian Railways. Then you for a government job in Indian Railways. No. Okay. Yes, in Punjab. That's what. In the state of Punjab. After struggling for 10 years or 5 years or something. After a long struggle.
We can write the department also. In which department also?
No. Then we would photocopy the order. After a long struggle. A long struggle of 5 years. STRUGGLE. Of her is not required. I mean, she cannot spend someone else's 5 years or 10 years. No? Struggle. No. It is understood. Struggle of 10 years. Okay. Struggle ke E. Yeah. Would someone like to translate it into Hindi? Sir?
इसी रात आई को मैंने
हाँ.
मेरे एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड तरफ से एक ट्रीट मिली,
मुझे
मुझे ट्रीट मिली मेरे घर के पास वाले होटल में।
वही आप हिंदी में बोलते हो, आपको लास्ट से शुरू करना पड़ता है, आपको वर्ब पहले से नहीं डालना है सेंटेंस में, अदरवाइज यू हैव टू मेक 2-3 sentences. The thinking pattern itself has to change to learn a language, because every language has a different way of expressing things.
पिछली रात मुझे मेरे दोस्त ने उसके सरकारी भारतीय रेलवे में सरकारी नौकरी लग जाने पर मुझे उससे मेरे घर के पास के होटल में ट्रीट मिली।
10 साल का छोड़ गया. Death of my maternal grandfather had
made a remarkable impact on my state of mind.
the death of D. My has come, so the is not required. If there was no my, then the is required. Where? No, death is particular, I mean only one thing, right? So
Death is universal truth, so you need to put an after the definite article. The death of my maternal grandfather had made a remarkable.
okay, and we are talking about on the state of mind, the last part. Yes. What were you asking?
Can we put the leave in place of believe and leave a remarkable impact?
Had made. You want to say had left. No, had.
We are talking about impact,
So
it is made, not left.
left मतलब छोड़ना. During my childhood, the death of my maternal grandfather during my childhood. हाँ,
During my childhood.
वहाँ पे मतलब डेथ ऑफ माई मेटरनल ग्रैंडफादर के बाद आपको जोड़ना पड़ेगा. आई यूजुअली टेक ब्रेड एंड पीनट बटर इन द मॉर्निंग.
I think whenever is for instance
Just to go to the mess on time. Whenever I am unable, I something has to come, not to miss something आना चाहिए, इसलिए whenever. No, I don't want you to put a different sentence in the addition. आप मॉर्निंग के बाद का हटा दीजिए और लिखिए.
Instead of taking paratha,
हाँ, instead of going to the mess, instead of going to the mess,
but here the place is not mentioned of where he used to get that. Usually take bread and peanut butter in the morning where?
हाँ, you can write where, in the room or at home, in the hostel.
Then he can write instead of going to the mess. Then
No, instead can come here.
no, instead of
Okay, if you want to write that
the
word.
place also.
हाँ. Morning in the college canteen instead of going to the. Okay. Alone with my friends, early, late, something like that. you can write before the class or after morning class, after an early morning class. Before the class. Occasionally, yeah, often. Okay, usually you have it. Yeah, fine. Oral practice. Now,
She lives near my house in the market on the 4th floor.
close to the market. In the
Close to
market.
the- Yeah.
Okay.
Team.
Team.
Yeah.
Okay.
I had gone to Allahabad with my basketball team. No.
Oh yeah, it's fine. I had gone to Allahabad with my basketball team
And have won the match.
for the competition, for the inter-school, interstate competition. Huh?
Last year,
In the month of December.
December.
Now you tell the whole sentence completely.
I had gone to Allahabad with my basketball team and have won the match. No. For the interstate level. Interstate tournament held in December.
Okay.
Last year in December.
Fine.
Steer. Children used to tear the pages of the copy, which should not be done. Which should not be done as the paper
You
is
are
very.
adding a sentence.
Sorry.
You are adding a sentence.
Children used to tear the pages.
Used to, मतलब करते थे. You?
Yeah,
Today
children
you
tear
they
the
don't.
pages of the copy. Children tear the pages of the copy
Happily
happily.
to make.
To make the fun, to make things of that, to make things of paper, like
make things using that paper
using that paper,
for
like
their friends.
boat, arrows.
No. This that is not how we expand. During their break
During their break
with their friends.
or during the free periods.
Huh? Now you tell the whole sentence.
Children tear the paper to make the fun, to make fun with the paper by making different things of that in the free period.
Okay.
Heart. My heart broke when my father did not allow me to purchase the bike of my own desire.
Did not allowed me to.
Did not allow me to purchase the bike of my own desire.
Purchase the bike of.
My own desire.
अब my desire is enough है ना. My own desire. My desire मतलब मेरा ही मेरा अपना ऐसा नहीं.
Treasure. He found a small treasure of 20 gold coins last month while trekking on the mountains of Vindhyachal.
Okay. While trekking. So you can add the detail when with, while and also when.
The weather was very bad during last cricket match of ICC World Cup 2012 in India.
Okay.
My word is tease. So, two guys were captured by Delhi police for eve teasing last night in Rajiv Chowk at 11 o'clock.
Peace. It is very important to maintain peace at the time of tort in the country for the benefit of the society according to the Indian Constitution.
At the time of
Tort. Tort.
Understood.
Tort in the country for the benefit of the society according to Indian Constitution.
Tort according to Indian Constitution. To respect the integrity and solidarity of the country, adhering to the Constitution of Indian Constitution. Write classwork 11 and your code number.